Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. We are the sales, support and development partner for BricsCAD in India. In this video, I'm going to talk about the AutoCAD to BricsCAD migration tools that we have built in CADPower software. These tools are freeware forever, which means they are available to any BricsCAD user in the world without any charge. Now, one of the first things you look when you want to switch from one CAD environment to another is if you have all the familiar tools and conveniences. BricsCAD is already 99% compatible with what you already know, AutoCAD. There is still a small bunch of missing tools, and we have bridged that gap in CADPower using the freeware tools. Let us jump into the software directly, and we can see that next to the CADPower menu, we have the BricsCAD Plus menu. The BricsCAD Plus menu organizes daily drafting tools in a format that you are very familiar with. Certain things like point style dialog appear different in native BricsCAD, but we have made it similar to what you already have in AutoCAD. Other tools like filter or change dimension precision, tan circle, scale list editor, drawing units access, dimension style, multi-style. These are some tools which users find a little difficult to find in BricsCAD, and we have made them all available in one menu. There's also a section called Freeware by CADPower where you can see almost all of the express tools that you are used to. Things like creating text along a curve, NCOPY, TORIENT, filter, quick text and block count, trim everything outside a boundary, save, backup and recover damaged drawings, that is a complete drawing recovery manager and a backup file management system, hatch pattern management, inserting and deleting hatch vertices in boundaries, and viewport management. All of these tools are very useful and are readily available to you in the form of context menu and macro customization. The last section that you can see here is called the support section. So under this you have some useful tools. The most important one is drawing settings. The drawing settings is a dashboard of frequently used settings which first time BricsCAD users ask. Things like pick box, aperture, snap marker, grip size, cursor size, enabling or disabling right menu customization, snapping inside hatches, template file management, background colors for model space and paper space, drawing units, insertion units, dimension units, save format, clipboard format, and also things like setting up your toolbars for easy access. In a similar manner, there is also a maintenance section where you can perform a lot of support and housekeeping activities for your BricsCAD. Things like setting up your line type, patterns, hatch patterns. So in short, the BricsCAD Plus tools is a set of tools which helps you not only to work more productively and faster, it's also a support tool which will help you or your support person to access some of the information that you need in BricsCAD very. Lastly, there's also a section called Show System and Drawing Path. For example, if I go to CAD folders, you can see that BricsCAD saves its support files in different folders, and you can go and access any one of those folders very quickly. For example, I want to know where my plotter configuration is stored. I just click this and this gets copied to the clipboard, and when I click OK, that particular folder opens up directly here. So use BricsCAD Plus, use the freeware tools in your migration from AutoCAD to BricsCAD, and your job will be made much easier and faster. Thank you for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any questions.